Now just imagine if you had more than 100 or 200 records. How would you do this? Many companies have employees not only in hundreds but also in thousands. It would be a laborious task. We'll make use of another function called as AVERAGEIF. Now under AVERAGEIF, first it's asking for range and then criteria and then average range. Make a careful note of this. First it's asking for range, which is nothing but the criteria range. First tell me where do you want to apply the criteria. That's what Excel is asking. So we want the criteria is the payroll, that is a form of engagement type. So we select the engagement type column. I hit comma. Now it's asking for criteria. So I select the criteria, that's the payroll, comma, average range. Now what do you want to take an average of? I want to take an average of the annual salaries. So I select this entire column, close the bracket and hit enter. Alright, we arrived to the same number. Now let us do a cross check of this. Again, I select all the employees under payroll. We have this payroll, we have this, and another one and two more here. Further, we have this payroll, two more, and that's it. What do we have here? So even this function works pretty well. Now I would like to copy this formula down here